In the North Sea, off the east coast of the United Kingdom, we are responsible for transporting, installing and protecting around 350 kilometres of subsea cables for our client Hornsea. These cables will carry renewable energy generated by Hornsea 3, the world's single largest offshore wind farm, to the mainland, enough to power more than 3 million UK homes.
We take care of the cable works from start to finish, combining much of our expertise in one project. Before we install the cables, we prepare the ground below. Once the seabed is ready, we start digging the trenches where the cables will be laid. For the first time in an offshore wind project, we deploy our dredging vessels for this task. Vitus Bering and Pedro Alvarez Cabral excavate more than 200 kilometers of trenches offshore.
After this, our cable installation vessels, Isaac Newton and Connector, take over. Over the course of 2026, they install 3 cables, one connecting 2 offshore substations and 2 linking those substations to the mainland.
One of the key moments in the project is when we connect the cables to the shore. Right behind me, you can see how we pull them through pre-installed ducts beneath the coastline. These ducts protect the cables as they move from sea to land. With this connection, the renewable energy can later flow into the onshore grid.
Finally, we ensure long-term protection of the cables. We bury them in the seabed, refill the trenches and place a protective layer on top.
Hornsea 3 is expected to be fully operational by the end of 2027. We are proud to deliver the link between the world's single largest offshore wind farm and the UK mainland.